The Foolish Monkey and the King. There was once a king. The king was very fond of monkeys and he had a friend. The monkey was his favorite and the king used to take the monkey with him no matter where he went. In fact, when the king slept in his chamber, the monkey would sit beside him and keep watch just like a bodyguard. One day, the king decided to go on a hunt. When the king returned, he was quite tired from the hunt. That is why he decided to sleep early. He asked the monkey to sit beside him and keep watch like he always did. The monkey agreed and sat beside the king's bed with a sword in his hand. Suddenly, the monkey noticed a fly in the king's room. No matter how hard he tried to shoo the fly away, it just kept buzzing around. The monkey was very irritated with it. He thought that the buzzing of fly would wake up the king and he would be angry. So the monkey decided that it was going to kill the fly and end the buzzing once and for all. The monkey started following the fly around, and no matter where it went, he would swing the sword and try to kill it. But how can the monkey kill such a small fly? Every time he swung the sword, he would miss and the fly would just buzz away. After some time, the monkey saw that the fly started buzzing near the king. The monkey got worried that the king would wake up pretty soon. So he ran to the bedside and got ready to stick the fly once again. Unfortunately, the fly went and sat right on top of the king's nose. Do you know what the foolish monkey did then? Well, he struck the sword right there. The fly flew away, but the sword landed on top of the king's nose and it got cut.
Oh, my nose!
Now the king lay in bed without his nose, cursing his fate for trusting such a foolish monkey. The moral of the story is, be cautious while choosing your friend.
Like, share, and subscribe. Timbuktu.